In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tracking URLs in HubSpot. Tracking URLs are a simple but powerful way to understand where your traffic is coming from and how different campaigns are performing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to build a clean, trackable link that feeds directly into your HubSpot analytics. Let's start inside your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, look toward the top of the screen for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that. This will open your main settings area where most of your account configuration lives. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll through that menu until you find the section called Account Management. Under that section, look for the option labeled Tracking and Analytics. Click it to expand the options and then select Tracking URLs. This is the dedicated area where you'll manage and create all of your trackable links. Now, in the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Create Tracking URL. Click that, and a panel will slide open from the right side of your screen. This is where you'll define all the details that make your link trackable. First, you'll be asked to enter a destination URL. This should be the web address of the page you want people to visit. And it's important that this page already has the HubSpot tracking code installed. If it doesn't, HubSpot won't be able to record the visits properly. Next, choose a UTM campaign. This is the campaign name that will show up in your reports and help you group related links together. You can select an existing campaign from the list so your reporting stays consistent. After that, select the source. The source tells HubSpot where the traffic is coming from, such as email, social media, paid search, or another channel. Choosing the correct source makes your analytics much clearer later on. You'll also see a field for email name. This is especially helpful if you're using the tracking URL in an email campaign. Enter a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it easily in your reports. If you want even more detailed tracking, you can optionally add UTM medium and UTM term. UTM medium might describe the type of channel, like newsletter or banner, while UTM term is often used for specific keywords or targeting details. Once you're happy with all of your entries, click Create. HubSpot will generate your new tracking URL. You can now copy that link and use it in your campaigns wherever you need it: emails, social posts, ads, or any other channel you're tracking. And that's it. You've just created a tracking URL in HubSpot, and you're ready to start collecting more precise, actionable data on your marketing efforts.